Hey, what's up guys? My name is Reuel Vincent, originally from Trinidad and Tobago. I'm a chef based out of Brooklyn, New York. Okay, today it's cold. We're gonna make Shakshuka or North African eggs. This is a spicy tomato sauce with tri-peppers that we sliced and braised that we're gonna dress with picked herbs and finish with a little bit of sour curry. Trust me when I tell you, this shit is going to slap. So Shakshuka, you gotta stew the peppers, you gotta stew the tomatoes. If you're at home and you want stuff to be done really quickly, get a really great spaghetti sauce. Sweet tomato basil, something at home. Stew some peppers up, add those in there, pre-fry those eggs, and it's gonna take like 2 minutes on your broiler or your salamander. Finish off with cheese, fresh herbs. The whole thing about cooking is that breaking the mold. I'm a New Yorker, I eat on the go. How I cook in the restaurant, how I cook at home is two different things. So with this being said and done, we're here and I am definitely going to show you how easy this dish is. This is an easy brunch solution. You have leftover spaghetti sauce, you have some eggs, you have some peppers in the fridge you want to get rid of, some jalapeños, some cilantro, any leafy herb. This is easy to get the whole prospect of how to do this. Second of all, crusty bread that you have, toast it off, put it in your broiler. And if you want, you just put these things together, fry your egg, warm up everything, put it nicely there, pick your herb, put it in the broiler, and you're good to go. Some fresh cracked pepper. I added a little bit of sour cream, and now this is the test. That runny yolk, it is just delicious. That shit slaps.